good morning traders. Ala Peters on August 16, 7 minutes prior to the news. Oil inventories due at 10:30 EST. Expectations minus 3 ME. Everyone is seeing this? If oil coming out with more negative number, it's under supply. If oil coming out with more positive number, it's oversupply, which is bearish news. Oil news unlike any other news. So let's take a look and what to expect on oil. This is what played out on oil last week. Do you remember that? Extremely bullish news does not mean a thing as oil collapsed from reversal zone and done exact same thing this Monday. Take a look on the importance of this level. This is exactly the reason I made it so pink. Traders were in exact same place on oil this morning. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Buying near this level, worst idea possible. If oil breaking through this level, it will skyrocket to here and then here. So what would we like to see on oil? We would like for oil to pull back from this level. Right now, oil in indecision. Right now, buyers domineering on oil. But only if you play by the rules, you can succeed. So, if this bullish rally is skyrocketing and breaking through this level, there is less than 15% chance of that happening. Buyers currently in charge. What I will do next is convert this chart to 1 minute chart so you can witness instantly at the time of oil news what is happening in the markets. So here we are. Next, we are paying attention to exact same level. This is institutional chart. This is ultimate end of minor trend on institutional chart that been present in the room for years. And this is your day trading levels. Identical strategy. Never ever ever buy near this level. Nowhere near as a day trader. If you do, success is not possible. We don't care if the news is bullish. We don't care if the news is bearish. This is ultimate Fibonacci resistance, identified weeks in advance. So, whatever happens on the news does not matter. The only thing that matters is Fibonacci and price action. So if you remember how crucial this exact same level was on S&P on Friday, where price struggled the entire Friday, taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours to break through this level, please remember, exact same level in a play on gold. Except on gold it was crucial support, where you as an investor had opportunity to acquire the market. Exact same level on Tesla. And this level remains in a play on every instrument, every time frame, each and every day. Do you choose to hold your position for months and years, weeks? Choice is yours. In the trading room, you see instantly the accuracy of the method. As S&P, finding buyers again, as I warned you. Ladies and gentlemen, spectacular bullish news on oil. 3 times under supply on oil. It's incredibly bullish news. Let's remember, let's convert this level where you're witnessing pullbacks already to 1 minute chart. Clear on that? Everyone clear on that? Oh, Is that possible? The accuracy of Fibonacci level identified weeks in advance, reminding you, does not matter how bullish the news. Everyone is clear? Price retraced 20 ticks to the key instantly after bullish news. Never, ever, ever acquire position into it. Clear on that, traders? And that's the key. As a professional trader, you have professional oil source. You have professional instant news. My goodness, how cool is this? How did I know that bullish news on oil does not mean a freaking thing? It never gets old, I promise. Bullish news, oil collapsed. Fibonacci reminded you the only thing that matters is Fibonacci. Any news, any indicator is afterthought. Oil had done exact same thing as Facebook. Oil had done exact same thing as any instrument, any time frame would. As S&P weekly at the start of 2016, taken 8 months to break through this level. It's all in front of you right now on 1-minute chart on oil. Identical strategy. That's what you're witnessing in that trading room. As I remind you each and every day, if news and earnings meant something, if indicators worked, everyone would be Bill Gates. The only thing that works is knowledge. If you understand that Fibonacci is the only natural predictive tool in the market, you understand extremely well where to enter, where to exit the position. This is proprietary Fibonacci level that you can choose to install on any instrument, any time frame. And that remains the key. Clear on that? So here we are, we've been here 9 minutes after news release and price reminding you, wouldn't life be magic if trading on the news or earnings actually meant something? Wouldn't everyone be Warren Buffett if indicators and news worked? It never does. The moment you realize that, your trading goes to entirely different level. And that's picture perfect example. And that's the reason I constantly bring oil to the trading room, so you can witness instantly the accuracy of the method that you can apply to any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose. Agree? And that's the power of price action and proprietary Fibonacci method that you can only learn in Fibonacci Mastery course. Nowhere else. All completely proprietary and all can be installed on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you will choose. Only if you play by the rules and only if you remember that every single instrument has exact same formula. The only difference is the name of the instrument. The only difference is the time frame you trade. Poor Netflix. Spectacular subscription rate increased in millions doesn't mean a thing. Reversal zone, however, does. Buy before reversal zone, not at reversal zone. And that's where we are. On oil, still 30 minutes later, 3 times under supply on oil. Spectacular bullish news and oil collapsed. 60 ticks. Ouch. You know where most important Fibonacci resistance is? You know that that's all that matters? That news and indicators are simply background noise and wishful thinking? All you have to do, play by the rules. You understand that S&P hanging for dear life at reversal zone, doing nothing? You understand that institutions still buying every single bullish pullback and prices frozen at institutional chart? You can master this, you can trade anything. We are at institutional reversal zone, but institutions still buying, not selling this market. And we've been here for the last 8 weeks. We can be here for the next 8 months. We can be here for the next 8 years. How you adapt to the most challenging market conditions in years is everything. It's not trend inception when every single day knowledgeable Fibonacci trader was in flawless markets. 5, 10, 15, 20 points, 30 points per day. But this was a major obstacle, end of minor trend, where S&P struggled for months. What is the difference between oil and this chart? This is a chart that you can use as the investor. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room for the last 7 years. You see on oil instantly the accuracy of the method. The sky's the limit. If you know proprietary Fibonacci strategies and if you play by the rules, what you trade absolutely up to you. And that's the scoop of the day. And that's the importance of playing by the rules. S&P is not gonna be stuck in worthless market conditions forever. When institutions will start closing positions and will start shorting the markets, your execution and knowledge must be spectacular, because your execution and decision-making process must be instant and perfect. You will not have time to think. You will need to know what to do. Too bad, so sad. Bullish marathon, mile 26. Prices frozen. So, knowledge is crucial. Knowledge is everything and remains the key. As price action reminding you, ouch, complete indecision remains. Look at that! Your favorite chart, 5-minute chart reminding you. If you don't know Fibonacci, the only one who makes money is your broker. If you know Fibonacci, you don't participate in this. It's not a pretty dance. It's only broker's heaven. How you adjust to market conditions is everything. And that's the core of the course. And that's what you learn in Fibonacci Mastery course. We start from scratch this Monday, August 21st. Please remember, very important class this Friday, August 18th. It's a long-term Fibonacci class where we dissect S&P starting from hourly all the way through monthly chart. And everything you learn in that class you will see instantly. Using anything other than price action and Fibonacci is simply waste of time. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. I'm meeting with students in New York next weekend. I'm meeting with students in US, Asia last few months, Europe all the time. If you are in the course, if you are my student, I look forward to meeting you. Thank you, traders.